I'm out here with my cousin Justin. Had to come out here to the lake to pay my HOA and county taxes and all that, so I figured, oh, I might as well try to catch a fish. I got some jug lines over here, you know, I'm gonna try to play with. Try to catch some bass too. Well, alrighty folks, got us a catfish in the cast net, trying to catch bait. Oh. Alright, first jug. Don't look like it has nothing on it. Oh, we got one, folks. Let's keep him. We're gonna keep him. Yeah.
It has something on it. Yeah?
Little one.
Big enough though.
You sure? It's 12 inches.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh, little baby, folks. Got thrown back. Oh, you gonna let that fish pull that away from you?
Whoa, whoa.
That's a little fish. Oh man. Oh man, y'all, another little one. Another little one. Another little one.